Okay, here we are. We've moved into the shop. Things aren't completely done yet, but if you think I'm tired, you're right. If you feel like I'm tired, then you're on. But I wanted to take a minute and show you what we've done here. So I haven't moved everything, but as you can see, we've got space now to park. And then there's the shop. For now, I've got a little sticker on the door that says, "Here's the gilded piano." So I'll just give you a quick tour. Oh my gosh. So that piano was in storage. Some of this stuff wasn't actually in storage, so I'm not paying for that anymore. It saves me $119 a month. Excited for that. Need to put a couple door handles on things. But take a look. All my stuff fills it up pretty good. But as we get organized, all this will feel better. So you've got electricity. Oh my gosh. So exciting. And lots of natural light. I'm refinishing that desk. That's going to be my computer desk. It's going to go upstairs. The sink is functional. The bathroom is functional. Oh, I'll take you real quick in here. Yeah, so I'm not sure if I've shown you this yet, but we've got lights. We don't have a vanity yet, but that works. And this works. So we have plumbing and water. You can get my little refrigerator there. And last night we had an inaugural sleepover slumber party up there. So you walk in and you see the Taylor brothers. Here's the shop. Oh my gosh, it's amazing. I'll just take you up here real quick. I'm just doing a little video tour. Okay. I try not to get you in the video. All right. See, we had a slumber party up here. Oh my. There we go. That's pretty much the sum total of the shop. We got a little fireplace in the corner. Stacey lent that to us. There it is. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So there we have it. That's the shop. It's warm in here. I'll give you a quick of the outside. It hasn't changed much except we've got all the lights on now. So when springtime comes, we'll do enough landscaping if we have enough money. Get sprinklers in and finish some things. But that's the exciting story of where we moved in. Today we moved in. September 21st of last year, 2020, is when they started taking the trees out that used to be here. And today, which is February 13th, we've moved in. We've got water, sewer, electrical, plumbing, which is water and sewer, and we're working on stuff. So I'm excited. You guys have a great day. Stay tuned for more exciting adventures at the Gilded Piano Shop. Talk to you later.